Nairobi, Kenya. Another heartbeat in the AI or Die tour. You know, I came here with one mission to unlock minds and spread knowledge and remind people that AI is for everyone. So please, if you're watching this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. But now, let's go. This is Kenya. We're on our way to do the workshop for the Siasa place. Will be our first gig here in Kenya. We just landed and we just hopped into the car and going there. So it's gonna be good. And for driver we have Seina. For some reason not coordinating, but she's driving instead.
Oh yeah.
Hello, Alexander.
Nice to meet you.
And that's Martin.
Nice to meet you guys.
To Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, and sometimes Kenya as well. Donald Trump can be holding and say, "This is the best product. No better product." A lot of people telling me this product is the best product. Female vocals on the chorus.
Yes, she's my bestie, Loki.
And enjoy your stay in Nairobi. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for hosting us. Thank you so much. Yeah, we really appreciate it.
I'm used to this. You're driving with like one hand.
Yeah. I drive till the coast, which is 700-800 kilometers.
Alexander.
Nice meeting you.
Anna, my wife.
Hi, Alexander. Nice to meet you.
Seina.
Hi, Anna. Hi.
Martin.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Martin. Nice to meet you. How's the day been?
It's been great. It's been intense. No. There's no worries. Like when in Kenya, right? I can't.
Hi, buddy.
Like, what is the alternative? Going home to sleep? Go to just waste the whole night? Hi.
Hi,
Alexander.
Sandra.
Nice to meet you.
Look, everyone's now nervous.
I'm nervous as well.
For like an hour.
No, but I'm like so grateful for like the support that you guys have been doing during the whole tour and partnering with me. And like I have to say, like for me, it's been really hard finding sponsors and partners because a lot of people talk that they want to help, but when it doesn't, and then when you come talk about it, then be like, we don't really know. And I feel like, especially in Europe, a lot of my connections I have there, when I talk to them, they don't really know how it is in Africa. And I get like one of the responses I've got that I can't shake off my head is that, isn't it better just to send food over there? Why do they really need to know about AI? Because they have this picture in their head of like how it is, because they only seen from the Red Cross or stuff like that, right?
Well, the first thing was really your story. You have such a powerful story that really speaks to your mission and your sense of purpose in this world. And that really resonates with us at ADMI, where we're here to do something in the world for young people and to make a difference. So just that, we felt a connection immediately on hearing your story.
ADMI wanting to educate 1 million learners across Africa, and it really sits well with AI. I think we were talking about the fear of AI in Africa, and I think you bring a really fresh look at it, and basically coming in, really doing some practical workshops on there. And by the sounds of it, you've got so many followers from this tour, and for us to have that massive footprint, you're going to be looking at 10,000 more nationals within Africa that we've got a touch point to in the future. So we can reach out, we can start these nano credentials that ADMI are doing with AI for creatives, AI for educators, for business. So really, it was a match made in heaven. It was something that.
So your questions will not be heard.
Yes.
Okay, so if you ask me, what is AI good for Africa, then I would say, so my opinions on AI in Africa is okay.
There are about 8 questions, but I don't think I'll be doing all of them.
And so far in Kenya, if you compare to like Ethiopia, Namibia, look forward to, it's very much.
On Die Tour, what does this phrase mean to you?
How are you?
Habari yako.
Habari
yako.
Habari yako.
It's crazy, I'm going to teach you this.
There, my name is The Morad on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Can we give a round of applause for Alexander Murad?
Thank you. Hi, thank you for having me and start making money and start like having an impact in their life. Yeah, I can't really respond to everyone because I get like 60, 70 DMs a day when I'm touring. As I said, I don't believe like AI, for now at least, can create like the perfect text. So you still have use the text it creates as a template. Thank you so much for listening, and yeah, AI or die.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Just 1 second. Martin, could you take one with your phone, please?
Yeah. Talk to people and it makes us smile and get like oxytocin or serotonin.
Then there's some chances where there's some breaches and stuff.
Yeah, there's always a chance. Yeah.
So now like
Don't post any naked pictures, man. Yeah, but we don't start until 2, right? So.
Set up.
All right, so at the Daystar University, Nairobi campus, and soon this will be stacked with people, and we'll do the second show of the day. Doesn't walk. Now I could go and try, check it out. Okay, go ahead.
So umechora circle. Inakaje? So there's something here.
The tech is not teching. So
And the reason why I
I don't know what
asked
to
this
do.
question
Those people
is because if you lack
pray for us.
you don't know where you're going. Now try and do it perfectly. But now you can.
I want you to act like an architect. Here's a blueprint. Can you analyze it? Yes, based on that. That's not our own thoughts, right? Even if everyone would buy it, it would still not even. And then you have my website as well. It's there because apparently it takes you to the great places, and he believes in you, you know. And all we need is one person who believes in us, and we can do a lot of good things. Yeah. All right, man. Let's do it. Like right just today there was a kid who's 11 years old asking advanced questions about AI, right? We're here, we can take the Matado. Hey man. This is the car, you see it? Alexander. Sweden. So we just did our first Matado ride ever, and it was like a whirlwind of expressions. I'm not doing any other type of transportation than Matados when I'm in Nairobi from now on. Macmillan Memorial Library. Yeah, let's keep going. Hi. Alexander. It's a big difference between Zimbabwe and Kenya. So it is a difference. But even like in South Africa, there was the same thing that people were like, wow, thank you for coming and stuff like that. That's what they all say.
Yes.
That's not true.
Truly. And Martin.
Yeah.
This is my big sister.
Nice to meet you, Martin.
Do I look
I'm
alike?
nothing.
You actually do look alike.
People, that's why Maganga was like, oh, I saw someone who looks like you outside. I figured that's Seina.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it seems like you get the positive energy though.
And we're done.
Yeah.
That's true. That's exactly right.
Seina is more like, you know, she got that,
she's
she got that little, you know.
I'm the
Yeah, you're more bubbly, like, funny. Yeah. So are you looking for like a job as a coordinator? Do you introduce me as Murad to everyone? Should I say Murad? Because everyone gets confused when I say Alexander. They're like, oh, Alexander? I thought it was Murad.
So that is Alexander.
Viva Murad, viva! Viva! Long live Murad, long live! Long live!
We'd go AI instead. Okay, so yeah, my name is Alexander. I can unfortunately only speak English, but I guess it's okay, right? We just had a great session in there. It was very intimate, 20, 25 people, very interested in a specific cause on how to use AI. I thought it went good. I like these sessions. Become more down to earth with it, right?
So you know exactly, for us it's very important, you kind of know where you're buying stuff from. Yeah. And this is the stage, it's called Zambia. It has nothing to do with the country.
I was just about to say.
Yeah, it's called Zambia stage, but it has nothing to do with Zambia. I don't know who named it.
So is this your butchery?
Huh?
Is this your butcher? No?
No, we passed my butcher. I mean, there's a few we buy from because we have options. See, you missed it. But when we're leaving, we'll drive slower.
Yeah.
And I'll show you because you'll see full hung cow and.
Oh, that's great. Is that your cow?
I don't know.
Do you have a cow?
So far. Yeah, we have cows.
Cows? The other one, is that also yours?
They all look alike.
They all look alike?
Hey, let's get. So, welcome to my home.
Hey.
Walk around.
Hello. Nice to meet you. I've heard so much good about you. About you? Yeah, you
Oh my God, you're similar.
You raised a beautiful daughter.
This
is Martin.
Hello, Martin. Fine.
Fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Sasa, ndio unaenda kanisa?
The owner of the house is here.
The owner of the house.
Our visitors.
This is for you.
Thank you. Karibu, karibu. You know Karibu?
I know Karibu, yeah.
And
This is
Hello.
Martin.
Hi, Martin.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh,
Someone younger.
okay. Hello.
Samaiba, soba.
Listen.
One more time.
So this is Otis and his wife, Mrs. Otis.
Just imagine you have a house and you have a turkey living with you and their names are Otis
And Mrs. Otis.
And Mrs. Otis.
Yeah.
He has a wife.
Yeah.
That's
This is
fucking
his
crazy,
wife.
bro.
Yeah. So there was another turkey, but this one killed the other turkey. So I name all of them Otis. We've had 3, so they usually fight for the female to death.
One more time.
Come on, guys. Right?
Keep them.
Oh. You just give us a second.
You know what? I have a course, and I've sent her the link. So she will give it to you. You can learn from that as well. All right?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Bye.
Imagine the things you could do with $2 million.
I know. No. This is 2 legs, 2 hands of the forelimb of a goat. So we got 2 for my friend's barbecue. Come, let's go.
Siasa.
This is Murad.
How's it going? Karibu Kenya.
Asante.
Getting there.
Yo.
This is Martin.
How was Ethiopia?
It was great.
It's very authentic.
It's like a goat. Yeah, and now I said, can you generate a picture, right? Because it saw your website and it said this is, it tells you what you need to create a picture, like its color palette and everything. And I said, okay, can you generate it? It says it's getting started. And
This is
ChatGPT. There's nothing else.
You're teaching how to use it.
This is what I'm AI is intelligence. So anytime you need intelligence, like someone to analyze your data, someone to financial advice, you can put in like, this is all the costs I have, this is the income, this is the amount of guests I'm having, what can I do to make my business more lean and to scale and make more money?
Wait, you just made that right now?
Yeah.
You just learned about big small right
Who's
now.
doing this?
I've already made
So there's
listen.
an app called Suno. As in you can just write make me a
The chorus.
vodka and rum.
And good
It will generate. And you know, and that's just one word. Now you
just made it right now.
Listen.
Yeah.
That's Big Smoke.
You've done that right now.
Right now.
He just made it right now.
I'm bringing. Let me bring a small speaker.
Harry
Alec, you're a
Potter.
wizard.
Are you Harry Potter?
I'm Harry
You
Potter.
look like Harry Potter. Are you
It's
Harry
the
Potter?
glasses.
It's the glasses.
Big fun, big family.
But this is what I'm teaching people, that you can create songs like that.
Actually created
And,
that.
and they can reach out to you and say, do you
I
want
want
this?
that one. No, I
Listen. Imagine someone here coming to you saying like, I made this song for you. I want $50 for it.
I'll pay you
for it, right?
for no more. I'll pay you for no more
And
trust.
this is what I'm teaching people
You're
to do.
killing my
right?
business. No more
Radio
trust.
jingles.
I'm a songwriter now.
I'm a songwriter now.
Hi guys, this is Babs. Very honest, I was very skeptical about AI. Just learned a lot from Alexander Murad. For me, it's a fantastic opportunity to learn about how to scale up your business, how to make it more efficient. I was shocked. I was not a believer, I'm a believer now. It's great. Get on it. Thank you very much. And by the way, it's life-changing. Get on it.
Sounds like something.
Name a song that Drake is in.
Okay.
Even his songs, Drake is awesome. What's the hate on Drake?
You say he's awesome in every song, right? Tell me Drake is awesome in this song, okay? You convince me Drake is good in this song, and I'll stop listening to Kendrick. This is his latest song. This is a grown man.
Okay, his latest song.
No.
I'll take you way back. Okay. Can I respond?
No. Is this a great song?
Can I respond?
Is this a great song?
Let me respond. Can I respond?
It's a blind kind. It's a blind kind.
Не надо поблажек, не надо одолжений. Прихожу за бабками в клуб, не ищу отношений. Новый миллион всегда к лицу при любом положении. Посмотри на книжку, нахуя мне кепка. На меня давно словили коэффициенты. Все эти рэперы вокруг абитуриенты. Не хотят учиться, они здесь ради стипендий. Еще чуть-чуть и я возьму себе Каен. Потом еще чуть-чуть возьму малышки Панамера.
Keep going. Wow, you know, as they say here in Kenya, little by little the pot gets filled, and that's how we build something big. One city, one soul, and one spark at a time. And they made sure to show it here, the love, the hunger to learn, and the fire in every young creator's eyes. I feel like we really made an impact, but we're just getting started. Tanzania, you're next. The AI or Die continues. Hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next Sunday. And as always, stay bright.